Hey yo people, how are you guys? I'm fine and I hope you are fine too. Today I'm gonna review a new adventure tourer which is Royal Enfield Himalayan. Yes, you heard it right. So let's start the video and let's go over there. So this is the BS6 version of Himalayan and it comes with a 411cc engine and 24.3 bhp at 6500 rpm, 32 Newton meters of torque at 4500 rpm. Let's hear to the exhaust note. This bike has a really comfortable seat as it is an adventure tourer bike and you can go for long rides on this bike.
And you know what time it is?
This bike is performing really well in the off-road section. The seat is very comfortable and I am not feeling any type of hump or dumps. And this is a very stable bike and I am liking this touring bike. So friends, how was the video? Hope you guys liked it. So this was the bike, Himalayan BS6 model. So it's of my friends. I'll let you meet him. Rahul. So he's my friend and my cousin Rahul. Say hi bro.
Hello.
So actually he owns this BS6 Himalayan for 2.5 lakhs. Bro, what's the mileage?
25 to 30.
Okay, so the mileage is around 25 to 30 kilometers. By the way, thanks bro for giving your time for making such a wonderful vlog.
All yours bro.
So friends, I think you guys liked this video. Make sure to hit the thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.
I walk around like that nigga.